How to change password on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Telegram on your device. Now simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Then tap on two-step verification. Now first of all enter your password and tap on next. Then tap on change password. Now create a new password and tap on next. Again repeat the same password and tap on next. Now create a hint and tap on next. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.